Our client EMBRAER is now the world's third largest producer of planes, and our challenge was to sell the LINEAGE 1000 to a very select clientele. EMBRAER presents the EMBRAER Flying Book. Idea: create the first flying catalog. Using magnets, we developed a catalog that floats in the air. Designed with light materials, the book can fly a few inches high. And it's a relief book cover, helps to reinforce the airplane design. The catalogs were sent to a select group of potential clients: businessmen, bankers, heads of state, etc. As a result, the flying book helped to get their attention about EMBRAER's new model and also reinforced our passion about flying. Thanks for watching.